What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. A slightly different video. I'll tell you why. Because Dara Singh ji, the great Indian Pehlwan, got recognized and inducted into the WWE Hall of Fame legacy. WWE Hall of Fame legacy is the kind of Hall of Fame where WWE inducts a lot of people from around the world who have contributed a lot of things for the sport of wrestling, professional wrestling, and that's why this year Dara Singh ji was inducted. I'll tell you why exactly I made this video, and you can see his bouts on YouTube. There are a lot of in-ring ones. Of course, these are all scripted. These are not real fights, but he has fought in-ring as well. So these are pretty old, guys. You can see black and white, Indian audience, referee, and I actually couldn't believe. I actually never saw this clip, guys, but I actually couldn't believe that the wrestling style or the techniques in wrestling were so advanced, back in the day. So Dara Singh ji was born on 19th of November 1928 in Amritsar, of course British India at that time. He passed away on 12th July 2012 due to a heart attack at the age of 83. The more important thing is he was huge. He was 6 feet 2 inches and 128 kgs. I'm 6 feet 1 and I know how tall that is. So he was 6 feet 2 and 128 around that kgs. Okay, 127 kgs. His coach or trainer was Harnam Singh. Okay, so his first match was in 1948 after independence, and then he retired in 1983. The great thing about him is he's done a lot of things. Okay, he was a wrestler, he was an actor, he was a director, producer, he has his own movie studio, and also he was the first sportsman in India to be a politician, or not a politician, who was nominated into the Rajya Sabha. Okay, so that was the great thing, and he was a great person, and I read a lot of things about him, wrote a lot of articles about him, and people have been only talking good things about him. Like, he was a very nice, humble man, and that's why I thought I should make this video. I of course knew about him, but I don't know how many of my subscribers are aware about the great Dara Singh. Of course, guys, remember, most of his fights were scripted. They were staged, which means they had an understanding, and the winner was of course pre-decided, but he was undefeated. Okay, you can see in the WWE a lot of wrestlers, they are undefeated. Even the Undertaker, he had to lose at the end, but Dara Singh ji never lost, and he also won the world championship, the professional wrestling world championship, and he's won a lot of stuff. Okay, and that's why he is a great person and a great. He was one of the reasons why wrestling was so popular in India, and in the north of India he is very, very popular. If you go to north of India and ask who Dara Singh ji is, I'm pretty sure most of the guys would know who he is. You can also see a clip. Most of these clips are, see all this Indian audience. Now the reason I'm making this video is because recently a lot of Indians have been making ground and getting into the WWE. We know who this is. This is Kavita Devi. She got into the WWE. I'm not sure about her contract and stuff, but a lot of people, we all know who Great Khali is. When Great Khali went into the WWE, that was one moment that got a lot of Indians to watch WWE, right? And then we have Jinder Mahal, the man with gyno, but still he also did a lot of things in the WWE. He was a champion for a long time as well. Then recently a wrestler called Mahabali Shera, I don't think that's his real name, but of course his real name is Amanpreet Singh. Even he got made ground into the WWE. So I'm not sure about all these contracts, but the reason why this post is custom, you can see shared with custom, which means only shared to a certain audience, and all the comments are from Indians. Some people are like, he's fake and whatever, but it is not about that, guys. He's made an impact, left an impact, and today we are making videos about him. So that is the meaning of life. If you leave a mark behind, that's all that matters. Now these are the Hall of Famers from 2018: Goldberg, Dudley Boyz, Jeff Jarrett, Ivory. I know all of them. We all used to follow wrestling, right? Now what has happened is recently WWE has lost ground, and UFC is coming on top and getting closer to WWE. But of course WWE is still on top, but recently one of the greatest UFC fighters, female fighters, Ronda Rousey, has gone into the WWE. She has signed a contract, and you can see an old picture with Rock. So WWE is making efforts to get back. They recalled all these great wrestlers like Kurt Angle and a lot of other people as well. So the reason I made this video is because they clearly want Indians to show more activity towards WWE. They want more attention from Indians as well, because come on guys, all of us as kids, we enjoyed WWE, right? So that is why they want Indians to watch. And of course WWE is not doing as well as before, right? When we were kids, we used to always watch, even my dad used to watch. Now nobody has an interest over WWE, not only because it's not real, but most of the great wrestlers have retired or they're not available anymore. So this is a great thing. He's the first Indian. Dara Singh is the first Indian to be inducted into the Hall of Fame. But like I said, they say this will open doors for a lot of Indians to get into. I think this is King Kong. Okay, there's a clip on YouTube where Dara Singh ji took down the King Kong. You can see a picture here as well. So anyways guys, that's all I wanted to share, just to give a shout out and recognition to the great Dara Singh ji. You can see his picture from his old age. Okay, I've seen a lot of news when he passed away. This is how he looked when he got older. So yeah, there are a lot of pictures of him. So anyways guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. I'll be back with other videos, and Wednesday we'll have a live video as well. Thanks a lot for watching guys. Goodbye.